Hello and welcome everyone. This is Kavya, and I'm here with your guidance from the 16th to the 30th of June 2020 for each of the 12 zodiac signs. Please note that I will be releasing separate videos for the upcoming solar eclipse on 21st of June 2020, and so make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon to receive these updates for your sign, and so that you are better prepared to handle these energies and make the most of them. So, beginning with Aries, those belonging to the sign of Aries will feel a hypothetical pressure. They will feel emotionally vulnerable and will not want to do much. It is all right if they want to be just aloof from the concerns of the world for a while to reconnect with their core and charge themselves. While they will want to go out and extract a lot from themselves, there will be a void inside which will require them to be just by themselves for a while. Towards the end of the month, they will feel better. Eating carbs in controlled measures will help too. So, moving on to our next sign of Taurus. Taurians have been sniffing a greater power inside of themselves, yet are unsure what it is. They are being called to focus with good intentions to enhance this inner power which is brewing inside of them. If it is not channelized properly, it may convert to suppressed emotions and hidden anger, leading to psychological issues in the coming times. Doing something unusual to entertain themselves, like playing video games or anything that keeps them away from focusing on anger and frustration, should be taken up. I'm getting drawing, painting, or some creative art using hands will help in channelizing their energy well. So that is for you, Taurans. And moving on to our next sign, Gemini. Gemini are feeling unsettled from inside, and it is this feeling that could make them act in a way that they must not. Feeling restlessness inside and the feeling of lack of support and a proper world structuring around them will seem to be taking a toll on their inner world, and a lot of emotional turmoil will result from this. They could further go on to talk a lot and make someone unhappy. Working on practicing calm and talking less will prove to be beneficial for them. Talking too much could make them feel as though they are losing their mind and going deeper into troubled waters. Using sandalwood will help them overcome this stage. So you can either apply this in the form of chandan or a tika on your forehead daily after bathing, Gemini, or you could have a piece of sandalwood in your pocket or with you all parts of the day. That'll really help. So coming to Cancer. Cancerians have been feeling very emotional for some time now. It is as if they are ready to renounce the world. However, they must not think about making big decisions as their energy is low, and this makes them susceptible to health issues, especially heart problems. Stress and anxiety must be avoided at all costs. Interacting with children, walking on grass in the sunlight, and praying to Mother Moon in their hearts will ease their situation a bit. Avoiding interactions with people will help them avoid friction in relationships too. This would also mean that you will be prevented from taking on the energies or emotions of other people while you're unable to handle your own at this time. So, staying away, not talking too much, not interacting too much with other people, and staying just in your own energy field will be very helpful to you. The more they are in their own company, the safer their energies and emotions will be. So that was coming up for you, Cancerians. Moving on to the next sign, that's Leo. Leos will be feeling emotions in waves, sometimes too high and sometimes too low, all in a matter of a few seconds. They must take care of their abdomen area, especially stomach and digestion. They could feel bloated often. They need to include foods in their regular diet to cleanse their blood of impurities. They could be going overboard with oily and fatty foods, so keep a watch on that. They must exercise or play outdoors to do away with the excess of this excited energy, or else they could have trouble sleeping well. So, Leos, try playing more, try spending this excess of energy you're feeling, the surge you're feeling inside, and you should be feeling calmer if you bring these small little changes into daily practice. Moving on to our next sign, that is Virgo. There are beautiful energies flowing to the individuals of this sign right now. They will begin to feel drawn to the source energy or will feel that they are a part of a bigger plan. This inner knowing about something greater than them that exists beyond our reality and nurtures us will make them very thankful and humble to this sustaining energy of the universe. They will feel closer to the Creator and treat everyone with a lot of love and care. They must know that the Creator loves each of its children and beautiful rewards await their kind gestures. Overall, a very spiritually and very profound time to flow with the energies of the cosmos in the present times, Virgos. So, we are going to move on to our next sign, the sign of Libra. Librans have been feeling lonely, and along with that, they're feeling this urge to shoulder more responsibilities on the broader level to help fellow beings. They must, however, first work on their own health and try not to overexert, or it could lead to long term illness. Sometimes they feel drained and want to return to their inner world, which is alright and advised at the moment. Practicing emotional distancing is a great way to do that, Libras. You could see a lot of turmoil in your surrounding, giving you some wrong thoughts, but understand that this is a temporary phase, so do not involve yourself in other people's matters and keep your energy intact by practicing social as well as emotional distancing. Moving on to our next sign, the sign of Scorpios. Scorpios are feeling that they need to do something big or take a momentous decision. A decision must be avoided for at least 1.5 months. Plans will be made about traveling in their mind, however, it may not materialize. Starting a new venture must be avoided. Dipping their feet in lukewarm water at the end of the day will bring comfort to their aching body and relax their mind much. They must play soothing music in the background to avoid nervous breakdown, or due to overexertion, they may be feeling out of sorts for a while. They may also not want to interact or meet or talk to a lot of people or even their close ones around them, and they may feel like just going inside a shell, which is all right given the moment and the energies that are working on the sign of the Scorpios. It's okay to take some time off for yourself and relax and rejuvenate those energies. Moving on to the next sign, the sign of Sagittarius. Sagittarians will not feel like their usual self and feel like taking an off from daily life. They may draw plans of visiting a green and thinly populated place in their mind. However, they may go only as far as visiting it in their mind. A pull to become a part of a greater plan, yet seeking direction, will be prime on their mind. They may lose the will to eat or indulge in worldly activities. Engrossing themselves in a slow paced book will prove to be of tremendous help, Sagittarians. They must take care to not stay in seclusion for long stretches or they could go into depression. Try sitting in morning sun for a few minutes daily to perk up your solar plexus chakra, Sagittarians. Please do follow the advice. It's something really simple and it can be done by everyone. So whether you have a garden or you have a balcony or a terrace, maybe just going out on the roads for a few minutes in the sun in the morning could help you also, Sagittarians. Moving on to the sign of Capricorn. Capricorns will make plans to come out with something big, but this will materialize for them later in the year. They must not become compulsive now to act prematurely, but go steadily with the flow and allow life to unfold itself at the universal pace here. They may be drawn to personal upkeep and appearance. Family will be their center and focus at this time. And this could take a toll on their emotions too. Interacting with too many people or thinking too strongly about them could disturb your emotions, Capricorn. So guard yourself there, please. Being around flowers of different colors but mostly white will be pleasing for their inner senses. So Capricorns, you're being advised to be in the company of flowers, especially white color ones. And this could be either you could be buying bouquets, you could be having a small pot of flowers in your garden, or maybe your balcony or your windowsill. Anything to do with flowers will help uplift your emotions at this time. Moving on to the next sign, Aquarius. Aquarians want to move and create something big and long lasting. They are thinking on the lines of erecting a foundation. They may not be looking at smaller ideas, perceptions in their surroundings, and do not want to be bothered by trivial issues. However, they must pay attention to details and not miss the essential parts in planning. They may also feel like partying or becoming a part of gathering. At this time, they are thinking about meeting people and networking. Some of them may even be looking at collaborations from within their country or offshore. So Aquarians, I'm seeing some very blissful energies around your sign, but do go step by step, as you will feel a lot of power of thoughts inside of you, and you may want to take actions altogether on all your ideas, but it is advisable to go step by step. Moving on to the next sign, Pisces. Pisces are feeling this strong push to go out and do something at the same time, lack the energy or the will to do so. A warm bear hug or being around a pet will tug at their heartstrings, making them feel better. They have been working hard and feeling disconnected with the world around them. All the things that mattered earlier from the material world will take a back seat now. They may also feel like going out all by themselves, but most would only summon the courage to go to their balconies or terrace. Nothing seems to please them at this stage, so to heal themselves, they must have a dark green piece of cloth, maybe a handkerchief, around them or focus for a few minutes on a green object. So that is going to help your heart chakra heal faster, Pisces. And it's something really simple that you can do. Even if you don't have an object or a piece of cloth of that color, you can open this color, maybe like a simple circle or an image, or maybe a plain solid dark green on your mobile phone, and keep staring at it for a while, and that'll help you heal faster. So, we have come to the end of this reading, and may I request you to please subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. I'm going to come up with the effect of the upcoming solar eclipse on the 21st of June 2020 on each of the 12 zodiac signs. So, make sure you are subscribed here to receive this update in your notifications. Thank you so much. Much love and light to each one of you. Bye bye.